YouTube, welcome back. Welcome me back. What is up? I got the car. I got the car back. You know, it's been a long time, but we are back. Shout out to the shop. Shout out to the guys in there. Good guys. You know, life just happens to all of us. But here we are. Let me turn this on right real quick so I can defrost all that. But yeah, life happens, man. You know, it was frustrating at some point, but all in all, everything worked out. The guys understood, I understood them, and we made everything work. You know, a lot of misunderstandings, but you know, cool guys. But here is the car, guys. We are now boosted. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Listen to it. This we're boosted, guys. Let me open up the hood for y'all. When I say this blower is loud, this thing is loud, especially when you get on it. I know y'all can see the weather and the conditions right now, but there we go. PSH G2 kit. I'm out of words. I don't know what to say. This thing is huge. I thought it would be much smaller than this, because this is the small one. But they get bigger than this. This thing is huge in my opinion. But yeah, they detailed the car for me. They cleaned it up before they gave it to me. They cleaned the engine bay. They really went out of the way. I appreciate all that. Yeah, I appreciate all of that. But yeah, y'all, that's the car. All right, let's get home. Let's do this. So as of right now, I got headers. I have a Speed engineering headers. Hold on, did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that gear shift? Ooh, it changed when you go in drive mode. But I got speed engineering headers. They give me headers because of the power level that I'm at now. If y'all do not know, I kind of had like a rush job because my birthday is like in 2 days. I don't know when this is gonna drop. Might drop on my birthday, after or before, but as of right now, my birthday is in 2 days. Y'all hear that? That is crazy. So I want to visit my family. I haven't seen my family in a long time. So I wanted my car back so we can go ahead and drive down there and visit them. They will dyno the car next week when they get their new dyno. They just moved shops. Shout out to those guys. You know, they did a great job. But as of right now, I believe we just have a stock tune on, but it drives good. I'm very satisfied. Gauge mode. I wonder, how do I check my temps of the take me home? Stop telling me all that extra stuff. I just opened the exhaust for y'all boys. This is crazy. But yeah, I was planning to go home for my birthday in a few days. Hopefully I can make it, you know, with gas prices and the weather. It's raining for the next 6 days, I believe. And it's a pretty far drive. I got the window down for y'all so y'all can hear it and get my interior wet for y'all. I wish it was dry, man. I wish we had better conditions. I would really open it up, but just a little bit. I just wanted to hear, he said don't do any hard pulls back to back until he dynos it, which is fine. I can do that. Oh my gosh. I feel like me again. I haven't been in my car in so long. My car just feels like a part of me. I miss it so much. I guess I'm driving too slow for them. It is raining, they ain't taking no chances. Now, for a little context, background, I'll try to remember as much as I can off the top of my head. So my car, initially, I went in for the supercharger, paid for it all, and then my engine went kapooey. Don't buy cars from Carvana. My engine did not fail because of the shop. They actually are the first shop to tell me that my car had problems, because I've been to several other shops that never told me my car had this many problems, and they had proof, so they wasn't trying to scam me or nothing. Like, they sent me pictures of my messed up cylinder walls and burnt spark plugs, missing pieces and all that. So whoever had this car before me, don't let me find you. I'll tell you that right now. So my engine went kapooey, and they fixed it for me. I'm so thankful that they fixed it for me, so I shouldn't have this problem no more. They put head studs in. I got new valve springs. I got like, I'm not gonna say the whole 9. I got the whole 7. You know what I'm saying? I didn't go all the way, but I went just enough so I won't have this problem no more. And after that, you know, I'm here. That was the main thing holding me up. My engine being bad. So I ended up getting headers. They gave me some headers because they said at the power level that I'm at now, cats are just gonna fry. I'm gonna just fry the cats. Well, if any, you know, yeah. I got catless headers on here, so I'll just fry the cats. Car feels great, by the way. They flashed a tune on it for me. They got me situated. So my car was down for a long time, mainly because the engine went bad, or the engine been bad, and Carvana didn't properly check it as they were supposed to do. So here we are. Thankful for those guys for finding it, because those other 2 shops are wrong for not telling me all that went down. But here we are. We're back. We're back. We're not gonna have that problem no more. Shout out to those guys again. I'm just so grateful to have my car back, I'll be honest. Listen to that whistle. Oh my gosh. Like, I need some gas. I ain't never had gas in this car as long as I've had this car. I do have a tuning. They gave me a tuning device right here. I took it away because I didn't know what to do with it. But yeah, I got a tuning device right here, so whenever they send me tunes, I can upload them and download them and be fast. I'm just leave that there for now. So yeah, they hooked me up. They hooked me up. All right, let's hit this exhaust. I'm gonna go in manual mode so I can ride my gears out a little longer. Like, this thing wants to go. I can't imagine how it's gonna feel after they revise it. Dude, this whistle next to other cars is crazy. When I get back in the city and the noise start bouncing off the building walls, I just know it's gonna be even crazier. I'm so happy. Probably should stop there, got some gas. Forgive me for driving this slow, but I ain't taking no chances. I'm not gonna end up in a Mustang compilation. snow mode. Make sure we get home safely. Get the car. Hello?
Oh, it sounds like you're in the car.
Yeah, I'm on the way back right now. All right, guys, we're on the highway now. Not gonna lie, terrified. I am terrified. I don't like driving in the rain. I still got stock tires on, so I'm good, but still, you just can't be too certain. I forgot what we were talking about earlier, so I'm just gonna enjoy the drive for now. Red on the GPS. If y'all don't live in the DMV, y'all do not know traffic. Like, I get the other metro areas, Atlanta and all that, y'all have bad traffic, but bro, I say these folks up here, when it start raining, they be seeing who can crash first. They really be doing it. You can't convince me otherwise. They'll be calling each other, be like, hey, let's do it. You know, they really be trying to figure it out who can crash first. There was a car on fire yesterday. A Tesla. It was just pulled off to the side of the road. All right, it's looking like I'm about to start braking here soon. Back. Man, I feel like a whole new person. How long was that guy behind me? My goodness. This thing sounds like a freaking jet finna take off. I can't tell what's better, the window up or down. I'm trying to let y'all hear it. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna just conclude the video here. You know, I'm gonna try to focus up on driving a little bit. Thank you for everyone who stuck around to the channel, stuck around while, you know, I was waiting to get my car back. Friends, family, all that. Shout out to the shop once again. They built the car right. It's his first day with it, but I trust those guys. I feel like they did build it right. They built the car right, so I won't have these problems no more. And then from here, we just go keep getting faster, keep getting, you know, better at everything. Suspension will be next. Well, a lot of stuff will be next, but I do want to focus on suspension a bit so I can make this thing a big monster, like crazy. Like, I want them to see my car and try to figure out if this thing is all-wheel drive or not. That's what I need. But yeah, shout out to the shop. Shout out to everybody that stuck around. New subscribers, old subscribers, everybody. I appreciate all y'all. God is good. I appreciate all y'all. Till next time, this is the boy Roddy Ren, and I'm gone. Peace.